Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this in analysis on a very routine basis, but as we go into the weekend now, let's get some things updated. And yeah, there was a pretty deep pullback yesterday. I mean, I realize I'm stating the obvious with that. I mean, the price came all the way down there. But after that, the price, while not a super exciting day in terms of the price exploding upwards, it did get some sideways action. And, that's always a good step in the right direction. A couple of different ways to measure this sideways price action. You can use that moving average, which I'll talk about in a second, or you could use this little miniature trend line right there. So whatever kind of floats your boat. Ideally speaking, the most powerful move going forward would be if the price can stay up above the orange trend line right here. However, if the price falls below it, am I saying everything's absolutely ruined? I'm not saying that at all, because from a big picture perspective, the price would still be up above that purple line right there. So you can see they're basically running in parallel to one another. Again, orange line, that would definitely be what I'd consider a very, very powerful move on the bull's part. But if the price falls below there, then you still do have the purple line right there. Now, as far as kind of must-hold areas of support, and I'm not saying this level is going to get tested or anything, but for me, this level down here at 275, very important level. But I'm just going to leave it at that, because as it stands right now, the price is doing a great job of not only holding above the purple line, but doing a great job of holding above that orange trend line. What about areas of resistance? So if this is going to continue to get some upwards movement next week, where are some of these areas of potential issues? On more of a shorter term time frame, or viewpoint, whatever you want to call it, $5.30 is going to be that initial level of resistance, and then the next key one after that, the price can push through right up here around the $6.50 mark. So all in all, good recovery from yesterday. Yesterday things got pretty ugly in the late day action, but with today, yeah, not super exciting, but as hopefully I did a good job illustrating, the bulls were starting to work their way upwards with those trend lines, and from a bigger picture, still up above that purple line. So all in all, the bulls still have a chance. We'll see if they can build into next week.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.